Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. I'm here on the daily chart at the moment, and you can see that Bitcoin is testing currently still the high of this week, which formed around the 50% retracement level. Last weekend, we talked about this resistance area and talked about it, and yeah, I explained that this week it would likely become a relevant resistance area. The price might test it. It was tested. It's still being tested. We don't seem to be able to break above it, but it remains my view that there's a good chance of pushing higher, possibly even to 118K, because, or 117.5 to 118K, because this is the you see it here, 117.5K. This is the point of control, and you will see on the smaller time frame that there is also another level that is pointing to that level. Another level to another. There's another Fibonacci extension target that's also located exactly there. Yeah. So we don't know at this point if the move to the upside is a B wave in orange or if it's a third wave in white. We had that discussion today in our member live session. Again, if you want to check it out, the recording is available. But basically there is no simple answer because both of them are currently pointing to higher prices. Yeah, whether this is the orange B wave or the third wave doesn't even matter. What matters in the short term is, are we going to hold micro support throughout the weekly candle close? And we'll take a look at that on the smaller time frame. So quick reminder that even if we form another low from here, it could simply just still be wave 4 or wave A. And we would then try again later. Yeah. What I'm trying to say here is that even if we get another low, it doesn't look like that at the moment, but even if we get another low, this is not a confirmed bear market yet. Yeah, because another low into the direction of around 98.5K, the June low, and the 55-week exponential moving average in white, it wouldn't be a problem, at least not from a structural point of view. Only when we start to get decisive breaks below the 55-week exponential moving average, which didn't happen in this cycle, right? Not in the last couple of years. We had breaks, but not the weekly close, okay? Only then I might start to, say, okay, look, we might have topped already. But I explained all that in detail in previous updates. What I find quite interesting, we have started to move back above the 21-week exponential moving average. And this is located at around 111,200. Now, funny enough, this is exactly the Sunday low. It's the intraday low, 111,200, as you will see on the smaller time frame. So if we can hold above the intraday low, it would also allow us to close the weekly above the 21-week EMA. Is that so important? Not really, but for the short-term uptrend it is, as you will also see on the smaller time frame. Just fun fact, I find the 55-week EMA more important. It's currently around 90. It's actually 99K now, 99K. It's going up all the time. Okay, let's take a look at the shorter time frame for Bitcoin. And here you can see, this is just a shorter time frame. You see that, again, one more low is still possible, even in a bullish scenario, in a wave 4. But in the very short term, we're looking for higher because we broke above initial resistance. But as you know, there is a lot of resistance there. 113,430, the 50% retracement of the larger decline that started from the all-time high, is currently being tested, and the high of this week. So once we can break above 114K, 115,880, and then 117,600, that's also where that point of control is located, funny enough. And why is this such an important level? Well, it's the point of control and the 100% extension, which means it's this distance compared to this distance. So it's the same length and an ideal target for a C wave. So it's just going to be an important resistance level. So I think the daily candle close and weekly candle close will be important. As I said, this here is actually exactly where the 21-week EMA is located. Here, 111,200. So once we break below it, weakness. as long as we hold above it, I would prefer the market grinds now towards 117,611. I'll keep you updated about that. With that, you now are very much aware of the critical short-term support levels, the local trend, and the next upside resistances and targets. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, also make sure you follow us on X for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. I leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.